Now the resting membrane potential is measured by a device called a cathode-ray oscilloscope. And this device works by إنه بيكون هنا عندنا مثلا for example this is the measuring device it has two electrodes. One electrode بيكون placed on the outside of the cell and other electrode in the inside of the cell, and it measures the difference between the outside and the inside of the cell. So this is how we get the electrical potential of some cell. Now let's look at factors affecting ionic movement. ليه بيكون في ionic movement across the cell membrane؟ عندنا 3 factors affecting the ionic movement، والأولى هي concentration gradient